So it's my first time cross-country skiing, and it's so amazing to explore the forest like this. I could do with working a bit of my technique though. We're here in the Rocky Marcus Forest, which is at the heart of the Cairngorms National Reserve. Most of the trees here are a natural nature reserve. Although the forest is thousands of years old, there's been much change due to a long history of forestry. So Forestry Commission are working to try and preserve and conserve many of the native natural species, as well as their habitats, such as wetlands and bogs, which provide homes for dragonflies and damselflies. This is a unique opportunity to ski through one of the largest areas of Britain's natural woodland. There's now ski touring here and there's huskies coming down. Beautiful. Come on. They are cutting and removing the lodgepole pines here. You want it to be free from non-native conifers by 2022.
Yeah, so tell us about your downhill skiing technique on cross-country skis.
Well, you see, normally you can snowplow and it works just fine. However, there appears to be a bit of a lack of edges with these, and you can probably see the imprint of my body right on the ground there. But this is where I managed
I thought you were just doing a snow angel.
So I got some really good air earlier up the road, and then some snow fell off me from the tree. But not pick up too much speed this time. Do you see the snowplow? Does not work. But the heather is our friend.
The forest lost.
Fortunately, we brought our head torches with us, so when it gets dark, we're going to be able to cruise through, no problem.